What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today I want to give you guys a little update on what's going on around the garage and show off this new camera. This is the Canon M50. Let's check it out. Alright guys, this is filmed on my new camera, the Canon M50. It's a little bit higher quality, has autofocus, so should be able to produce a little bit higher quality content. Let me know if you guys notice the quality difference and what you think, what you like. Like to get your feedback on what you think of the new setup. And on to the garage update. So we got this axle, the Sterling, up on stands so I can start chopping and cutting into it and getting it all squared away for the axle swap. These are some pretty awesome Harbor Freight stands. They're each rated for 1,000 pounds. You get them in a set for like 40 bucks. They're holding up the axle just fine. So one thing I was really surprised on is these rear shocks. All they're held on with is this U-bolt. I just cut it free and pulled it right off the axle. It has this little center hole here, and that goes into this pin, and then just the U-bolt wraps around the axle housing. That's all that holds your shock on. But we're not gonna need these anymore. So I gotta go ahead and cut off these leaf spring perches, get ready to weld the new ones on. I gotta remeasure, but I think it's about 2 inches closer to the center of the axle that I gotta move these in to be able to line everything up. So when I get this underneath the Cherokee, it'll be in the right spot. In this box I got my heavy duty leaf spring perches and all the brackets and U-bolts and shock mounts and everything. All that is going on that rear axle, so that'll be all squared away. Zip tie looking pretty dirty. Oh, and look at what we have here. We got 40-inch Nitto trail grapplers. These things are huge. They're really awesome. Whole garage smells like tires. I really love it. This is the Artec truss for the Dana 60 front end. This thing is awesome. It's really strong. I just got this in the other day. It's really just like super beefy. I can't wait. Gonna be a lot of welding, gonna burn this in super hot, and this will definitely refine some of my welding skills right here. I'm gonna still weld on the rear frame stiffeners and the mids on the Cherokee before I really get going, so that way I know I can be all set and proficient at welding. I was also able to pick up this Harbor Freight 20-ton shop press. This thing is gonna come in handy big time when pushing bearings in and out and U-joints and whatever else I need. It was on sale. I was able to pick it up. I've been wanting one for the shop for a while. It's gonna come in handy, and I'm really looking forward to being able to use that and have that as another tool in my arsenal. We got these mid-frame stiffeners from Affordable Off-Road. Those came in the other day. Got to move some jack stands here and get this recentered and start getting these welded on. And this camera also has 4K. This is what you're seeing right now. This is 4K. I lose the really good dual pixel autofocus, but I think I can play around with it, especially with my wheeling videos. Hoping to get out on the trails soon, and I think this is going to be a great asset to have this camera. And I'll also have my other camera, be able to get a lot of really cool, unique shots that I might not have been able to get with just my old camera. So that's an added plus to this. Playing around with the 4K, the autofocus, a lot of getting used to this new camera. So this is just a quick little update video, but I just wanted to get this out. And I got a lot of projects, as you guys can see, going on here. So a lot of big things coming for the Cherokee. Can't wait to get it really dialed in and done and actually get it out on the trails. I'm hoping to, at least by the end of this year, get it out on the trail some, but I don't know, we'll see. It's becoming quite the expensive little project. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna have fun doing it. Of course, I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there. Turn on the little bell so you get notified when I post a new video. Being a subscriber really helps me out, and it lets you guys know when I post a new video. You guys aren't going to want to miss all the fun stuff coming up with this Cherokee. It's going to be an awesome build. So, as always, guys, stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.